Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer XRP from Robinhood to Arculus Wallet. Now step 1 is open your Robinhood application, and once you open your Robinhood application you will be seeing like a home page like this one. So from here you can just go to this crypto option, and once you click on this crypto option you will be seeing an option like this. So from here you can just scroll down and find the XRP, or if you're not able to find it you can just click on search and find the XRP and select the coin. And once selected you just need to open this one and scroll down, and once you scroll down you will be seeing all these options: send, receive, sell, or buy. So you can just click on send option, and once you click on send you will be asked to enter the price, like how much do you want to send. So you can just enter the amount in Ethereum, and once you click on continue, after that you will be like seeing an option like this one. So you can just scan the wallet address, or you can just click on enter manually. And once you click on enter manually you will be asked to enter the address of Arculus Wallet. So after that you can just open the Arculus Wallet application, which will be similar to this one. So from here you can just select the XRP coin, but let's say that you are not able to see your XRP coin into this section, so you can just click on add assets. And once you click on add assets you will be like asked to go to login screen, click on it, and after that make sure to scroll down and find the XRP coin and make sure to turn it on. And once turned on, after that you can just select the XRP, and once you have selected the XRP you will be like seeing these options: receive or send. So you can just click on receive. This is basically to get the receiving address of XRP. And after that you can just copy the address, click on copy, and go back to the application of Robinhood and paste the address into this section and just click on review. And once you click on review you will be asked to like swipe up to continue, and once you swipe up it will be confirmed and transferred to your Arculus wallet. Now that is all the process of how you can do it. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.